guys, so today I'm going to make two types of rings. As you notice, I'm going to speak in English. I hope you understand. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's make this one first. I'm using a artistic wire. It's very reasonable but very durable, and I like it. If you want to go cheaper, or if you are not certain with your skills yet, it's good to use CHIYO wires. 1 meter wire, so I cut 1 meter. We need longer wires because we are going to wrap all the way. Okay, so this is 1 meter, the size 26 gauge. So now you want to determine your size. So this one I wanted to make size 9, but actually went to 8. Let's see. Yeah, so if you want to make size 8, you're gonna aim size 11, because you're gonna wrap all the way. The size you want to make larger, 3 sizes up, so that it'll become 3 sizes down. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to make size 9. I'm going to use the 3 sizes down. So you want to put the stone in the center of the wire, and I'm gonna put at 12. Okay, and then you wrap 1, 2, 3 times. See, and that's 3 times. So now here, tighten. Okay, so I put the wire underneath of these core wires. Okay, and one more time. Okay, so 2 times. Okay, this side you do the same thing. So you grab one of the wires and just wrap as many as you want. Okay. It's cute. So if you want to wrap like all the way up here, you probably need a longer wire though. Okay. Yeah, I hope I have enough wires. Okay, I'm gonna just stop up here. Okay, so I wrap around this much. What we are gonna do is just wrap these 3 wires all together. Like this. All together. Like this. I'm gonna stop around here, leaving this much, and I'm gonna do the other side. I came up to here, and I think I need one more wrap. I think I can do one more actually. to cut where these two wires meet. So I'm just gonna cut one here. So now I cut here. And kind of push it down. Okay, here you go. I made a ring. Actually I think it got a lot smaller than I thought. Oh, not perfect. This is 9, size 9. Cute, huh? I'm using 26 gauge wire. This is 14 karat gold filled. Okay, the length is about 35 centimeter. Okay, I put 3 amber. Then I want to make size 9 again, so I'm gonna put stones one size up, so 10. So I assume that size you want to make will come one size down. Okay, so I leave one side of the wire 6 centimeter and then hold it really tight with your left hand and wrap three times. Okay, wrap 3 times. I see 1, 2, 3. With this wire, you're just gonna wrap here. You can use your finger or flat nose wire, kind of like this. Make sure it's tight. I do 3 times here, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Okay, do the same thing at the other side. Okay, I did twice. So now you can take this out and then you kind of wrap between here. So I'm just gonna wrap one more time here and then you wrap between these stones. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. If you want to wrap more, that's cool. You make sure you have enough wire. Just gonna do it. Okay. I like the gold accent. Okay, I think that's good. So now you wrap up here. Okay. And you're just gonna cut the extra wire. Perfect. This is size 9.